In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or remove one picture from a multiple picture post. Let's launch the Instagram app. Here, you can see that I have made a post with 3 photos. Suppose I want to remove this middle photo from the post without deleting the whole post. Sometimes it's necessary to remove one picture from a multiple picture post to improve the overall clarity, focus, or quality of the content. A particular image might be irrelevant, blurry, repetitive, or off-brand, which can distract viewers or dilute the intended message. By removing that specific image, the post becomes more cohesive and visually appealing, ensuring that each image contributes meaningfully to the story or purpose behind the post. In the top right corner of the post, tap on the 3-dot icon. In the pop-up menu, tap on Edit. On the editing page, you can see a small delete icon in the bottom left corner of the picture. Tap on the delete icon. In the pop-up menu, tap on Delete. Here, you can see that the middle photo has been deleted. In the top right corner, tap on the tick icon. Here, you can see that there are only 2 pictures in the post now. Following these steps, you can delete or remove one picture from a multiple picture post easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.